have just a little review lesson, and then I'm going to talk about getting ready for kindergarten and going to the doctors and getting a doctor checkup. But first of all, we're going to review this chart. And this chart says, what do you do on the playground? So when you're playing on the playground, you're helping your body be healthy and strong by moving your muscles and doing certain exercises. So let's look at this chart. Let's see how these kids are keeping their bodies healthy and strong. So we have these two girls, they're going on the seesaw and they're going up and down. Are they keeping their legs and body healthy and strong? Yeah, they have to push off with their leg and then gently come down so they don't get hurt. This little girl's doing what? She's jumping rope, right? She's using her muscles in her legs and her arms to swing the rope. This little girl's going down the slide. So she has to climb up the ladder and slide down. So she's using her whole body to pull herself up and then sit down and go down the slide. These kids are swinging, so they've got to kick out their feet back and forth on the swing and hold on tight with their arms, holding their muscles tight so they don't fall off. These two boys are kicking the ball to each other, and that's good for using your legs and your feet and kicking really hard to make it go far. And then this little boy, he's in a wheelchair, so his legs don't work, but that doesn't stop him. He's still going to try to keep himself healthy and strong. He's clapping his hands. He's using his arms. And when he wheels his chair, he'll use his arms, and his arms will be strong. All right, another thing that we're going to talk about is just a little review about what can you do to stay healthy and safe. So to stay healthy, you can do physical activity, do sports. This boy is rowing a boat, a canoe. You can eat healthy food. This girl has a plate of broccoli. So getting exercise, eating healthy food. What's this boy doing? He's sleeping. You have to get plenty of rest. Remember, that's the time your body repairs itself and your brain is growing new brain cells, and so you need to get good rest so your body can be strong the next day. And then this girl here is brushing her teeth. You also need to take care of your teeth because your teeth are very important for chewing, and you don't want to get cavities, so you'll need to go to a dentist. So before you come to school, you'll get a checkup of your teeth at the dentist. He'll have you open up, he'll count your teeth, he'll see if you have any cavities, and then he'll clean them up, and he'll fix the cavities if you do have a few. You also have to go to the doctor to make sure your body is healthy. So the doctor will use certain tools. Do you know what this tool is called? This is a pretend one from our play kit that we have here at school. But this is a stethoscope, and he'll put it in his ears, right? And then he listens to your heart with this end to make sure your heart is beating strong and he doesn't hear anything different than what the sound should be. He also may take your temperature, or the nurse usually does. Usually they run it across your forehead, or they can check your inside your ear, and they see if your body is at the normal temperature it should be. If you're too hot, that means you're not feeling well, or you have sickness inside. And if you're too cold, that can be a bad sign too. So you want to be 98.6 is our body temperature for humans, or somewhere around there. You might also have a thermometer that they put in your mouth. So there's different ways to take your temperature. The doctor might even use this. Do you know what this is called? It's called a otoscope, and it's used to look in your eye. There's a bright light usually, and the doctor is on this end. She's looking at your eye, or he is, and then they might look up your nose to make sure that everything's working there, and they even look in your mouth to look inside to make sure all your tonsils and your tongue and your teeth and everything look healthy. All right, then sometimes you might have to get a shot. The shot is to protect you. It has medicine in there that they'll shoot in your arm that goes to your body to make you strong against germs and bacteria. And at first, shots aren't that great, but you know what? You just say a Hail Mary and boom, it's done. So those are some things you'll be doing over the summer break, hopefully, or maybe you've already done it, is go to the doctor and just get your checkup, because you have to get a checkup before you come to kindergarten. I also have for you today, you get to make your own doctor kit. So I have a piece of paper in there, you'll cut it out. This is the Red Cross, it's called the Red Cross, which is the doctor bag. So you'll cut it out, make that cross red, and then you get to glue in the stethoscope, the thermometer, the otoscope, and then you can even glue in a Band-Aid and some cotton balls and some Q-tips if you have them. Things that a doctor might have in their doctor bag. So that's something you get to do today at home for fun. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day, and until I see you later, goodbye.